up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang. We taking shots off the rebound.
Hi guys, आज हम लोग आए हैं Yorkdale Mall. So we're gonna show you a mall और हम लोग खाने आए हैं American staple franchise chain, the Cheesecake Factory. So as you can see behind me, 1 घंटे का wait है. We are with the kids. I have tried to expedite it, पर tip यही है कि when you guys come for Cheesecake Factory in Yorkdale Mall, तो आप आ जाएं, पहले नाम लिखाएं and then go for shopping. So we did the same. तो देखते हैं, I've asked them to expedite it. बहुत रश है, फ्राइडे आ गया है, लॉन्ग वीकेंड है, so let's see. और थोड़ा सा आज मॉल दिखाएंगे, as we don't have to buy anything, but just to kill the time I'm gonna show you the mall, क्या सीन है, and then we're gonna try some really good food. It's not halal, but definitely we're going to be trying some seafood, the cheesecakes, and all those nice appetizers, right? So see you inside and let's start our video. Hi guys, so finally after an hour, like we got our table, and so yeah, it was a bit of like, it was a very long lineup, like we have to wait like 1 hour and 10 minutes, and with the kids it wasn't easy, but we are finally in. We have ordered like 2 kind of pastas, like zyadatar inka wahi mashhoor hai, and rice. There are some dishes, but we did the pastas. So one is like the Cajun style one, jambalaya, like
right, with butter.
Like with a fusion twist of like Caribbean, and with the Cajun sauce, and another one is like
Yeah.
which one is yours?
Shrimp something.
Shrimp.
So I had to put in the fettuccine for you because the bistro also has
Okay, yeah.
the
All right,
Yeah,
perfect.
And then unfortunately we're out of the guaco. I'm not sure why. but
Okay.
that's the only drink we're out of. So did you want to try a different one or?
Sure, whatever. I'll leave it up to you.
Oh, okay, and just no lemon or whatever.
You can
You're
do
again-
lemon. It's fine.
Okay.
If it's good, I'll
I'll go ask.
Okay.
All right,
Make sure
perfect.
somebody
Thank you.
recommends a good one.
All right.
Thank you.
so much.
But everything else is in. Okay?
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
So the lady just came back, and we said like in for the shrimp like basil, like we ordered another one, and she was not sure that do they mix the wine into that, and then we can't have like the sauce with the wine. So she came back, and then now we are going with the Alfredo, the classic pasta, and another one is the Cajun style. So we are pretty excited, and as you know, like for the Cheesecake Factory, the portions are super big. So that's why we have not gone with the appetizer. So we'll go with the main, and then with the dessert. They also have a really cool kids menu. So we're getting everything like portion size according to the kids. So for kid, we have got a basic pasta and a sundae, and he's got an apple juice. So yeah, it's been busy, like lighting is not good. This is the ambience all over the States and Canada, like for Cheesecake Factory. So for the starters, as you guys know, the classic bread and butter, as they give it, like, so we are so hungry that we are just like tearing this up apart, and we know that our dinner is gonna be huge, but bhook bahut lagi hui hai. Alright guys, we just got our first drink. So this is non-alcoholic and really famous here. It's like the cherry and pineapple lemonade, and it's really famous here. So look at this. We're gonna give it a try and like see, it's a red cherry on the top. So it's not that citrusy. It's like a citrus, and right away like the pineapple burst. It's quite refreshing with the ice. So finally the food is here, but it looks really interesting, like how they have done it. So let's dig into this. I'm gonna show you a little bit of how beautiful this looks. So right away, so there's shrimp, there's green pesto noodles, there's white one, there's all kind of veggies, and I'm really excited to dig it in. Oh, the shrimp have that Caribbean flavor, like of a jambalaya, and then they have like look green noodle, like the green noodles, and look at the size of the shrimp. So look at this. So good. All these flavors in a pasta makes the pasta interesting, right? And I love it. And the next one, I've borrowed wife's one. It's like, if this is the Alfredo
pasta. Shrimp pasta.
Alfredo shrimp pasta, and in the white cream sauce, the fettuccine one. So look at, this is classic, guys. This is like, this cream looks so legit. First, just like test the cream. Oh my god, this is so good. Let's dig in. So like, look at this. There's the shrimp one. Look at this. Like, shrimp are also better. The cream is so good. It's classic. This is out of the world. Classic creamy pasta. One of the best. The shrimp is to die for. There's the shrimp in the deep sauce. So creamy. I can't even tell you. Like, look at this. Look at the sauce. Look at the cream. They have not skimmed on it, and the flavors are right on point. They both are like a completely different taste buds. That's like on more Cajun style. This is more on the creamier style. If you like the creamy ones, your pasta creamy with the shrimp, go with this one, the Alfredo pasta one. But if you like a little bit spicy and a linguine, go with the jambalaya. Just showing you like one of the pasta for the kids. So they do it like in a bow tie, and he's super excited for it. So like, he's saying, I'm eating bow tie, and like, you know, this makes it interesting for the kids. So really cool, really cool. And it's just a plain butter. So finally, the cheesecake itself has arrived. We asked for the reco like from our server, and she recommended the strawberry cheesecake. And I love strawberry, and like every night strawberry shortbread cake, strawberry cheesecake. So I'm really into it, and I'm happy that they suggested like the strawberry cheesecake. So like, all right, let me dig into it. So like, let me show you the cake. It's pretty dope. Like, look at this. It's a classic strawberry cheesecake. Let me take a bigger one with the whipped cream. So good. So good. I'm just gonna try the strawberry, the whipped cream.
Thank you so much.
So good. Thank you.
No problem.
Should we
Here. Guys, the kid ordered the Sundae fudge with the ice cream and the chocolate, and it looks delish. So he's not gonna let me touch it. So once he is done, I'm gonna give you the verdict. So you can see the Sundae under it, and the ice cream and the cream. Really good desserts, really good. Thank you for again watching the video and subscribing and liking it. This is from today's video, like the cheesecake. The wait is super long because it's only one branch in whole Toronto right now, and it's in one of the main malls. So it's like the footfall is big. So waiting was quite big, but we really enjoyed our experience and happy to share it with you guys. Please subscribe the video. Please subscribe. It really gives us the motivation to keep showing you this kind of food. And please like, comment, and share. Until next video, see you guys.